Good morning. We are out here in Puerto Rico, headed to Wrecked Boat Beach or something like that. It's an anchorage that I'm meeting a friend of mine, and about 6 miles out. Smooth from here on out. Looks pretty cool. Linking up with Eddie and Emily. The sun's finally coming back out. It's pretty cloudy still, overcast. But we're anchored up. We've got some adventures planned on land. See what we can get into. So, Eddie and Emily have gotten a rental car for the next couple days.
We're supposed to pick it up right now, but there's no taxis or Uber.
But we're walking. So, there's a Target truck. It's running. Hold on.
Okay, well, there's home sweet home.
There it is.
To the jungle.
Is that guy holding the pelican? I like that. Flying there.
I thought he was slowing down for us.
Had to climb out this side. Yo, hitchhiking worked, and then they decided to take us to a different beach.
Showing us the surfing beach.
Yeah.
Jump first, I'll be right behind you. Dude, I'm not stuck.
Whoa. But drinking on the way down. So we are here drunk hiking to the waterfalls. It's better than drinking and driving. We're drinking and hiking, and it's healthy for the body, definitely, when you drink straight liquor. No sugars, no additives. Keeps you thin. We're gonna walk down these waterfalls and see what's happening. See y'all down there. As you can see, we're getting ready to go surfing this morning at another beach. You got somebody walking to go snorkel on this little separated beach from your main beach. We will see y'all out there. Can't ask for a better morning than this. Sun shining, Wind's blowing from the right direction for some good waves at the spot we're going to. Let's rip it up. We're on the way to go surfing. Got these people checking out our sailboats. Crash Boat Beach. Absolutely beautiful reef.
Funny watching those people get close to our boat. I was like, how close are they gonna get?
I thought they were gonna hit mine.
Yeah.
Hey, don't do that shit. Get away my boat.
You should scream out the voice of God. Man, it is so much prettier with the sun out. Green brings out the color.
So we're out here on the local surf beach. Got the local girls waxing up their boards in the shade. Eddie on the phone, talking business about moving across the world to, I believe, Switzerland? Hey, Switzerland, right? Yeah, moving to Switzerland. Selling the sailboat, moving to Switzerland. With Emily, which I don't know where Emily's at. She's out here somewhere. Beautiful day, real sunny. Waves are just coming in crisp. Look at this. We've got the boards on the lineup. Oh, and my homies just pulled up. Oh shit. Can you believe it? It's all aligning. Everything's happening. Look, we've got somebody on a wave right now. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Crash Boat Beach is the best beach over here, you know?
All the locals that I've met say the same thing. Crash Boat Beach is the best.